Hello, Professor. I'm Wu Haoyuan. So today I'm gonna talk about helping employees to release stress. Happy worker, happy producer. There are three elements about the content. The first one is no causes of stress. The second one is identity size of stress. The third one is the taking measures to release stress. So the first one is important for manager to know the causes of stress. So there are six elements about this topic. So the first one is the factors for the job, so such as too much work for their employees or the fast pace for them. The second one is the different role in the organization, such as some role conflict or some different people has different responsibilities for this organization. The third one is the career development. Some people is under or over the promotion, or some people is not satisfied with their job. The fifth one is organizational structure, such as different manager has their different management style, or they have their own communication style for them. The last one is the very important one, the relationships at work. The relation between the employees and their manager and their supervisors. So we need to the second part, the manager need to identify the signs of stress. So the manager need to notice their change in action and in their thinking. About the action, maybe the employees should take more time to off. They need to arrive work later or to be switching on nervous. About the songs that in the bad mood or don't be confident or something like that. So the third one is about the measure of to help their employees to release stress. There are seven important measures for them. The first one is know about their key stress for their employees. So create some questionnaire or surveys, or set up a share board for them to write down what they are thinking about. So the second one is develop health response. There are two important ways. The first one is doing exercise. The second one is getting good quality sleep for them, because there are two ways for them to work more effectively. The third one is improve work-life balance. It's quite important for employees to release stress, such as eliminate some important unnecessary meeting or reports, encourage them to share their opinion and something like that, or reduce some unnecessary work-related travel or something like that. The fourth one is giving time to their recharge. So make some holiday or team building or vacation for them, giving their personal time to enjoy for themselves. The fifth one is help employee to relax. When we are working, we can have time to do some small exercise such as meditation, deep breath, or after a few hours also help them to release stress. So the sixth one is talk to your employees, to open mind for them, to talk with them. It's also a good chance to know more about your employees. Also, the last one is to be supportive, to provide some information or resources for them, such as online information available, consulting suggestions for them to help them to know about themselves, to get some help. So that's all. Thank you, Professor.